Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the best exchange for leverage trading crypto. Let's get started. Choosing the right platform is one of the most critical decisions for leverage trading, as it directly impacts your fees, available assets, risk, and potential profit. The best exchange for you depends on your specific needs, such as the maximum leverage you want, fee sensitivity, and whether you need access to brand new tokens. After analyzing the market, 3 platforms stand out as specialized offerings: PrimeXBT, MargX, and MEXC. Let's start with PrimeXBT. This platform is a powerful all-in-one hub, not just for crypto, but for trading traditional markets like Forex, commodities, and stock indices. If you want to diversify your leverage trading beyond cryptocurrency, PrimeXBT is an excellent choice. A major advantage for many traders is that it operates with no KYC, know your customer requirements, offering more privacy. For crypto futures, it boasts some of the lowest fees in the industry at just 0.01%. It also offers extremely high leverage of up to 200x on crypto positions. This means massive potential gains from small price movements, but it also means you can be liquidated just as quickly. A 0.5% move against you on a 200x trade would result in a 100% loss. The platform features advanced charting tools and integrated copy trading, allowing you to automatically replicate the positions of successful traders on the platform. Next is MargX, often stylized as MargX. This exchange is renowned for being extremely user-friendly, with a clean interface on both desktop and mobile. It's a favorite for traders who want to focus specifically on Bitcoin leverage trading, offering up to 100x leverage on BTC with competitive trading commissions of 0.6%. Like PrimeXBT, it is a no KYC exchange. MargX also supports copy trading and offers bonuses for new users. However, there are 2 significant cons to consider. First, leverage on less popular altcoins may be capped at a lower level, such as 25 times. Second, and most importantly, MargX does not accept traders from the United States. If you are a US resident, you will need to look elsewhere. Finally, we have MEXC. This exchange is the undisputed leader if your strategy revolves around trading brand new cryptocurrency tokens as early as possible. MEXC is famous for its lightning-fast listings, often being one of the first major exchanges to list new projects. This gives you unparalleled access to leverage trading on nascent tokens. It supports leverage up to 200x and has low futures fees at 0.2%. The platform is feature-rich, offering grid trading bots, copy trading, and staking. A key point is that MEXC does not support direct fiat currency withdrawals. You must send your crypto to another exchange to cash out. Also, similar to MargX, MEXC does not accept US traders. So, which is the best for you? Choose PrimeXBT if you want to trade multiple asset classes, not just crypto, with the highest possible leverage and the absolute lowest fees, and you value no KYC privacy. Choose MargX if you are a non-US trader who prioritizes a simple, intuitive interface and primarily wants to trade Bitcoin and major altcoins with high leverage. Choose MEXC if you are a non-US trader whose strategy depends on getting the earliest possible access to leverage, trade new and trending altcoins and meme coins. Remember, leverage trading is extremely high risk. It can amplify your profits, but can also lead to the total loss of your capital very quickly. Always use risk management tools like stop-loss orders. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. And fully understand the mechanics of futures and margin calls before you begin. Start with lower leverage to get a feel for the platform and the volatility.